Okay, that's great. Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. How are you?
I am good. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. And how's your day so far?
Uh, my day is going well. Actually, yeah, I am taking rest at my home. Yeah. Please introduce first yourself.
Okay. My name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, UP. Currently pursuing BTech, Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. I like to play cricket and listening to the music. And that is it.
Okay. Uh, I forgot what you do.
Actually, I'm a student. I'm pursuing BTech.
Okay. Are you from Bihar?
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Uh, Let me
Okay.
introduce myself. And my name is
Yeah.
Sahu. My name is Sahu. I live in Balrampur district of Chhattisgarh. And if you talk about my education qualification, I have done my graduation in 2017 in Hindi medium college. And if you talk about my hobby, I like to learn everything which is most important for me. And I like to solve all the problem of people of world. Try to solve a problem of people. That's about me. Okay.
Okay. Great. So, what's your profession basically?
Um, I my father is farmer and I help my father daily. Yeah.
Great, great. So, why are you learning this language?
Everyone know English language is very crucial everyone for everyone. So and I was very weak in English language in my childhood in my school. So I decided to learn English language. That's why I am improving my communication in English language by talking to people. I by talking to people, new and strange people of social media. And yeah, that's it.
Great.
Please tell me what is your hobby and future plan?
So, my hobbies, as I've told you earlier, that my hobbies are just listening to the music and playing cricket and chess. And my goals are basically my short-term goal is basically to get the job. So yeah.
Yeah.
So
Uh,
are you a YouTuber?
are you? Yeah. Um, I created a YouTube channel just 1 month ago only, and
Great.
I try to upload one video on my YouTube channel daily, and English conversion video. Okay, and ye-
So
please tell me.
yeah, yeah,
Oh, yeah, yeah,
yeah. Go ahead, please.
yeah. Are you outside of your home?
No, I am not outside. Actually, I'm at terrace, so that's why you can see this, you know,
Oh,
background.
yeah, yeah. And please tell me, uh, how long have you been learning this language?
So I have been learning this language, like you can say, for 2 years. But in my initial days, I was not serious about this language. Uh, I didn't make so much efforts to learn this language. But you can say from 3 months ago, I'm very serious about this language. So I'm learning this language very seriously. You can say
Yeah.
for yeah.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Do you belong city or village?
Yeah, I'm from Blaze basically. I live in Blaze. You can say my house is in Blaze, but actually I live in Ghaziabad. I stay in Ghaziabad in the hostel because I'm pursuing BTech. So I'm pursuing BTech from the Ghaziabad.
Okay.
Hmm.
Is Ghaziabad famous place? Because I have heard a lot of time Ghaziabad name.
Yeah, it is. You can say famous place. It is like Delhi and Noida and Ghaziabad. These three cities are like similar. You can say.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Brother, English language is very crucial for everyone, but uh, uh, it has been seen in our India. government is promoting only Hindi language. Why
Yeah, right.
don't promote? Why don't the government of India not promote Hindi language, English language?
Yeah, great. Yeah, promoting Hindi language is not bad. They are promoting it is right, but they should also see that English has become a global language, and if someone want to get success in their life, then or she has to learn English language. So they should like spread the awareness towards this language in school and college. Government school and college. So yeah, they should like launch, or you can say they should introduce this language to the like children of the government school. So it would be more better.
Okay, okay. And do you think uh, uh, people of India and then lot of in village people of India don't know how to speak language because of please tell me because of this India is not a developed country yet so far. It is
Right,
right or wrong?
right. You are absolutely right. They actually, my, I think in my point of view, the people of the village area, rural area, are not that much aware.
Yeah,
So they have to be aware, and yeah, that is why they are lagging behind.
yeah, and uh, and I think if you want to develop our country as soon as possible, then we need to focus. We need to provide good education in every single government of school in India. I think,
Right, right.
but and government of India should provide and make promote every single industry and local industry and small industry of India to develop our country. I think, but please tell me. What is your point of view to develop our country as soon as possible?
Sorry.
Yeah, what is your point of view to develop our country uh, in fastly?
Okay, how can we develop our industry, like the country fast? Is it
Okay.
is this your answer?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So I mean question.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so yeah, government should start some initiative, you can say, like they should also like promote like business startups, and should do something for that. And they
Yes.
also do like promote English also. So there are so many things that uh, uh, government have to initiate. They have to promote. So that's why
Yes.
people can be aware of these kind of things, and people, even people of rural area and village area, are not aware about the startups and businesses that much. So yeah, that's why our country is not developed so far till now, you can say.
Yeah. 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 And my point of view to develop our country in a short time in I mean fastly, then uh, I think if I become a prime minister, suppose, then I would like to create in every single government school of India good education and fast. And
Yeah, yeah,
that
absolutely.
uh, after that I uh, and and uh, I would like to ban all intoxication liquor in our India. This is a very uh, bad thing in no development in every rural and village area of people. This is my opinion. Yeah,
Right,
and
right, right.
yeah, and please tell me and and if I wanna ask you one question. If you are made if you are made prime minister of India, then what would you like to do for India to develop develop India uh, fastly?
Okay. Actually, first of all, in my point of view, because you have asked this question spontaneously, so I don't have time. I don't have time to think. But whatever I'm saying, I'm just saying without thinking. Okay. Okay. So first of all, I would like to just work in a education sector. Okay. I will. My first, you can say, the goal would be like to provide a quality education to the
Yeah,
children, students, and the second thing, you can say, corruption. I would
yeah,
like to banish away or remove the corruption, you
yeah,
can
yeah,
say.
yeah, yeah,
And the third thing can be, I would like to unite the people, you know people,
yeah, yeah,
yeah, they are so much violence you might be seeing nowadays,
yeah,
you
yeah,
know yeah, so I would like to just unite them. I would like to just work for the peace of my India. So yeah, that is.
yeah. I totally agree with you because your point of view is good to develop our country. And please tell me, do you want to upload this video? Yeah, do you have any YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. Do you, you also have? So how many subscribers do you have?
Okay, I have one YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel has got subscriber uh, 800 and plus so far actually. And I
Great.
wanna upload this video after completing. Do you? Can I upload this video?
Yeah, you can upload this video.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Bye
Bye
bye.
then.
This video.
Bye.
Uh,
Thanks for,
Thank you so
yeah.
much for
Yeah.
giving me the opportunity to talk to you. Bye.
Thanks to you too. Bye.
Bye.